according to the post they did on their Twitter handle, as you can see over here, they say Superblock raised 8 million for over protocol, a new layer 1 blockchain for everyone. You can open it and go to cointelegraph.com to read it by yourself. And this particular project have over 238 followers, which I just joined one of them right now on my Twitter handle. So this is a project which won't stress you much. All you need to do is just watch this video and see how everything works. And as you can see, I'm totally having 5,394 total points to go over here. And this particular point, I didn't get it by referrals or anything. It just took me around 3 weeks to earn it from being active on the project every single day. And all you have to do is just come to it. It's going to take you around 2 or 5 minutes to participate in the task you're going to be given in the app today. All you have to do is to, first of all, once you sign up with the link in the description of this video, to sign up to it. It's going to take you over to where you are going to register and do everything that is required for you to be a part of this project. And then every single day, come to your account and click on this particular first reward and click on claim reward now, and automatically is going to give you the reward for the day. It's normally 85 something. So as you can see now, I'm now having 5,474 total points. And the next thing you have to do is to go over to this particular place that says mission over here, and every single day they open quiz for us to solve. So what you have to do is to click on start today's quiz. They only give you 2 chances in each day quiz, and all you have to do is to go ahead and look for a way to answer this particular quiz before coming back to the project. So for me, I think number 1 is the answer. I don't really know, but I think number 1 is the answer. So if I click on it, they say I tried. So if I try it again, I will know if I have messed up my time to earn from the platform, or let me click on this particular ask and whatever. So as you can see, I just earned 50 points. It's supposed to be 100 points, but I lose the first chance and they decrease the points, and that is how it works. So I will come back another day and do the sign in task to receive my reward of the day, and also do the quiz. It's very simple. Go to Google and search for it. For me, I didn't go to Google today. You can also try all these ones to get to the project. One thing about all these projects that I normally promote is that those projects are legit projects that we are looking at it, that once they launch, we are going to earn something from them. So you have their wallet section over here where they are showing your own points and all these things. So as you can see, today's point is quiz reward, daily reward, and like quiz reward is yesterday was 100 and other things. So you can check it. Now, other ways of earning is by referral. Referral is not compulsory because I've not referred any single person here, and I've already gotten almost close to 6,000 points. So, but in case you want to refer, there is this. All you have to do is to go over to where you can get your referral link. And all you have to do is to go over to this star icon over here, the place that you completed the daily quiz. You will see this particular place that says ongoing friend card. All you have to do is to click on the friend card, and they will give you your link where you go ahead and share your link. And once someone sign up under you, they'll be getting this thing that they call friendly card. The friendly card, we are gonna look at it later. It says when you invite friends to join over, you will receive a card as your reward. Keep this card for future benefit and surprise. So as for now, you're not earning anything with the card, but you're earning with the card. So all you have to do is to share your link, and also don't forget to do the Twitter task. All you have to do is to throw them on Twitter. Click on start mission, and it's going to ask you to connect your Twitter handle and other things. You can create a brand new Twitter handle for it if you don't trust connecting your Twitter handle for it. So, and once you're done following them, they're gonna give you 500 coin as reward. As I see now, my total point is now 6,024 points. So that is it. I've done the Twitter task. All you have to do now, the only task remaining for me now is this online meetup, which I don't really understand, and also the ongoing one, which will be giving you card for each friends you invite. So all you have to do is to click on share your link, and it's going to bring it up for you to share. And lastly, before ending the video, please, if this is your first time coming to my channel or you have been watching my videos, please don't forget to drop a like on the video. It helps me a lot. It goes a long way. Just like I drop a like here, whenever I check my analysis, I always see people dropping a like on my video, even telling me in the comment section what they feel. It helps me a lot. And lastly, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and help the channel grow. I'm 20 pieces subscribers, close to 5k subscribers. I need you guys to help me with it. And also don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I drop any updates. And with this, I say this thing remains King, and my channel still remains CBK Crypto. See you guys in my next video.